Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this beautiful 2021 Ford F150. Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. Alright everybody, so the first step to your install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car. You wait another 10 minutes with the door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there you'll see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Plug your controller into the Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure you check that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. Mount it on there with the provided adhesive and push the silver button to turn it on. The Sprint Booster will give you 36 unique modes, including valet mode and pedal lock mode, which limits your throttle pedal output. So in case anybody needs to take your car out, they can't rev it out all the way, which gives you a little bit more security with your Sprint Booster. Along with that, the Sprint Booster also has 9 unique modes in sport mode and another 9 unique modes in race mode. So you can really fine tune that pedal feel to what feels the best for you and your machine. Alright everybody, well that's it. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. If you enjoyed what you saw here, give us a like, and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks everybody, have a great day. Bye now.